Hey aquarium lovers, thinking about getting a new fish tank but not sure where to start? Let me tell you why a 40-gallon tank is my absolute favorite for beginners and pros alike. It's the perfect size for stunning aquascapes, diverse fish communities, and even unique setups like planted tanks or reefs. Stick around as I dive into all the ways you can use a 40-gallon tank and the best fish to keep together. Plus, I've got a surprise tip at the end to make your tank thrive. Hit that subscribe button and let's get swimming. So why do I love a 40-gallon tank? It's the Goldilocks of aquariums. Not too big, not too small, just right. At around 36 inches long, 18 inches wide, and 16 inches tall for a breeder tank, it offers enough water volume, about 150 liters, to keep water parameters stable, which is key for healthy fish. It's also affordable, with standard glass tanks often on sale for as low as $1 per gallon at stores like Petco. Plus, it fits in most homes without needing a huge stand or space, unlike those massive 100-gallon setups. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned aquarist, this tank's versatility is unbeatable. Let's talk about all the ways you can use a 40-gallon tank. First up, it's perfect for a community aquarium. You can create a vibrant mix of fish that get along, which I'll cover in a bit. The size gives fish plenty of room to swim while keeping maintenance manageable. Next, it's ideal for planted tanks. You can add live plants like Amazon swords or dwarf hairgrass to create a lush, natural look. A 40-gallon tank has enough depth for a 1.5-inch substrate layer to support plant roots, and you can use CO2 systems for high-tech setups or go low-tech like Foo the Flowerhorn does on YouTube. Want to dip your toes into salt water? A 40-gallon breeder is a great starter for a reef tank. It can house hardy corals and fish like damselfish, which are forgiving for beginners. Just be ready for a 4 to 6 week cycle to stabilize the tank. Finally, it's a fantastic breeding tank. Species like guppies or cichlids thrive here with enough space for fry to hide. You can even set up dividers for selective breeding. The options are endless. Now let's get to the fun part. What fish can live together in a 40-gallon tank? The key is choosing species with similar water parameters and temperaments. Here's a sample community setup I love. Guppies, also known as Posilia reticulata. These colorful, peaceful fish are perfect for beginners. Keep 6 to 8 in a school, and they'll add vibrant colors. They prefer 74 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit and a pH of 6.8 to 7.8. Just note, they breed like crazy, so consider a separate fry tank. Neon tetras or Parachirodon inesi, a school of 10 to 12 tetras, creates a stunning visual. They're peaceful, love 70 to 78 degrees, and thrive in slightly acidic water, with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. Corydoras catfish add 6 to 8 bottom dwellers like Corydoras sturbai. They're great cleaners, prefer 72 to 78 degrees, and get along with most fish. Honey gourami, also called Trichogaster tuna, one or two of these shy, colorful fish add a calm vibe. They like 74 to 80 degrees and a pH of 6.0 to 7.5. Coolie loaches, 5 to 6 of these eel-like fish, are peaceful and nocturnal, perfect for the bottom level. They need hiding spots in a 73 to 79 degree range. This mix creates a balanced tank with activity at all levels, top, middle, and bottom. Always check water parameters with a test kit and avoid aggressive fish like large cichlids, which need more space. Pro tip, use an aquarium calculator to ensure you're not overstocking. Aim for 1 inch of fish per gallon as a rough guide. To keep your 40-gallon tank thriving, maintenance is key. Test water weekly for pH, ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates using a freshwater master test kit. Do 25 to 30% water changes every 1 to 2 weeks with a dechlorinator like Sechem Prime. Use a gravel vacuum to remove waste and prevent ammonia spikes. For filters, a canister or hang-on-back filter with a flow rate of 200 to 300 gallons per hour works great for this size. And don't skip the tank cycle. Let it run 2 to 4 weeks before adding fish to build beneficial bacteria. Here's my surprise tip. Add a custom 3D background to your 40-gallon tank. It gives depth and makes your aquascape pop, plus fish love the extra hiding spots. You can DIY one or buy from brands like Aquariums. What's your favorite way to set up a 40-gallon tank? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If you want more tips, check out my other videos on fish keeping. And don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly aquarium content. Thanks for diving into the world of 40-gallon tanks with me. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fish keeping friends. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next videos. Until next time, keep your tanks clean and your fish happy. See you in the next one.